Mastering the art of consistency. Understand, maintain the pitch. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the nuances of the English language to help you enhance your skills and confidence in communication. Today, we're exploring a fascinating phrase that you might have come across: maintain the pitch. This expression holds significant value in both musical contexts and everyday life scenarios, emphasizing the importance of consistency and steadiness. Stay tuned as we unravel the layers behind this phrase, ensuring you can apply it effectively in your conversations and presentations. At first glance, maintain the pitch seems to speak directly to musicians and singers, urging them to keep their musical notes at a consistent frequency. However, the application of this phrase extends far beyond the boundaries of music. In essence, it's a call for consistency, steadiness, and balance in various aspects of life. In a musical context, maintaining the pitch ensures the harmony of a piece, preventing discordant notes that could disrupt the overall sound. Similarly, in everyday communication and tasks, this phrase symbolizes the importance of staying true to a level of performance or behavior, avoiding fluctuations that could lead to misunderstandings or errors. When we say, maintain the pitch, in daily conversations, it's not just about music. It could refer to keeping our efforts consistent in a project at work, ensuring steady progress in a personal goal, or even maintaining a calm demeanor in stressful situations. For example, in a team project, maintaining the pitch means every member consistently contributes, ensuring the project progresses smoothly towards completion. In personal development, it might involve sticking to a study schedule without letting enthusiasm wane. Understanding and applying the concept of maintain the pitch can significantly impact your personal and professional life. It teaches the value of consistency, a key to success in virtually any endeavor. By maintaining the pitch, you show reliability, dedication, and the ability to manage tasks and relationships effectively. Moreover, this phrase encourages mindfulness about how we conduct ourselves, urging us to pay attention to our actions, words, and the level of energy we bring into various aspects of our lives. Thank you for joining us in today's journey through the meaning and application of maintain the pitch. We hope this exploration has not only broadened your understanding of this intriguing phrase but also inspired you to apply the principle of consistency in your day-to-day life. Remember, maintaining the pitch can be the difference between harmony and discord, success and stagnation. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and see how this simple yet profound concept can transform your approach to challenges and opportunities. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and of course, maintain the pitch in everything you do.